Hello everyone, welcome back to the garden. So it just stopped raining and I am already outside. I am going to be popping some seeds to start filling out this garden with food. As you all know, I lost a lot of my seedlings. Look at this strawberry, y'all. It is so huge. Oh, Lord of mercy. Yeah, so I lost a lot of my seedlings and plants when my garden was vandalized. So now I'm gonna have to start sowing some more seeds. I've already purchased a few new plants which I showed you the last time, and they are the bell peppers. I think I only purchased bell peppers and this pepper right here. I have a lot of space in these yellow and blue bins, I think, and these ones too. What's this? What is this? This looks like a mustard. I had ruby leaf lettuce and some Pablo crisped lettuce in here, and those were the lettuce you saw the last time that I need to put in the in that shoe bag, which is this one right here. And I did brought out some bottles to tuck inside them to elevate the containers. I need to drop these in. Each time we drink water, I will just take the bottles, put them in here, and add the other containers. All right, so I added 4. So the first thing I'm going to be popping are some zinnias, and these are some semi-dwarf Pomila mixed colors. I am going to, well, what if I should throw it in my hand first? This is what it looks like. I really don't know what it is mixed with. I'm pretty sure there is more of this white thing in there than the zinnia seeds. All right, so I'm just going to sprinkle it in the other one. All right, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. This is zinnias, semi-dwarf ones. As soon as they germinate, I can always take them out to plant them wherever I want to plant them. Okay? All right, so I have some snap peas. I'm not even sure if these can tolerate this summer's heat, but I'm gonna try because I need some food in my garden. Nothing beats a trial but a failure, right? And on top of it, I have this lovely fence right here that they can trellis on. So I am going to put 2 in each hole. Oh, well, that's 3. I'm just gonna let those stay. And I'm gonna put 3 more over here. Where should I put it? That's a plum right there. I need to get that plum out. No, let me put it behind the tomato. 1, 2, 3. I guess I will just redirect them when they start sprouting. Let me see if I can get 3 over here as well. Should I pull out this tomato? Oh no. All right. I'm just gonna toss whatever I have left down in that hole. It's raining, so I'm pretty sure some of them will germinate. And I'm also going to be adding some over here. Oh gosh, this is a lot. This is a lot. It's a lot. All right, so let me get some in this corner right here. No, that's too far. 1, 2, 3 right there. 3 more right there. And oh God, let me take that out. I need to get 3 right there. The soil is already wet, so I don't need to water it. I was thinking of putting some in this bin, but there is There's a lot of stuff going on in here already. Let me check out that barrel over there. Oh, so it looked as if I already planted some. Can you all see? Focus, focus. So here is a plant, and here is one right here. I have a few more seeds left, so I'm just going to tuck them in this section right here. I'm adding them in front right here because I have the little white trellis. So that's two. That's, oh no, this is too much. That's two. Let's see what's here. This is two. Wonder if I have enough. All right, that's two. Coming down to this end, and I'm going to add the same amount. So that's two right there. Two right here. And they don't have to be evenly dispersed. So, all right, that's three right there. All right, so when those start growing, I am going to be training them to run on this white lattice right here. All right, so that was my snap peas. Let me see what else I have to be sown. So now I'm going to be sowing some scarlet kale, dwarf blue curl kale, and some black magic kale. So before I pop the seeds in the containers, I am going to be labeling the containers. All right, so scarlet kale is going here, dwarf blue curl kale going here, black magic kale going here. And please you all, I know it might not be the right time to sow kale seeds, but how about trying something new and defying the odds? I always say the garden is an experimental place, so nothing beats a trial but a failure, right? Okay, so let me get the scarlet kale. This is the blue curl, black diamond, and the scarlet kale. So I am going to be using my marker to put some little indentation in the soil, and then I'm going to be popping like 2 seeds in each hole. I do have a lot of containers that is empty now. I mean a lot of containers. So when these sprout, I have more than enough containers to transplant them in. And furthermore, kale is one of the vegetables that I have been consuming on a very regular basis. And I also share it with family and friends. Which one was that again? The scarlet? Yeah, this is the scarlet. All right. In the middle, I think I'm going to be putting, no, I'm not going to do that. I think I'm going to sow the bok choy somewhere else. So this is just the kale. I don't want them to be mixed up with anything else. So right now, I am actually over sowing. I'm over sowing the seeds because I need to have some more kale in the garden. The more the merrier, right? Yep, the more the merrier. Did I miss a spot? All right, so I think this is going to be enough for the scarlet kale. Ooh. That's it. All right, so now let's do the dwarf blue curl kale. Let me take out these lettuce first, and I'm going to be putting these somewhere else. All right. So I'm going to be doing the same thing with the dwarf blue curl kale. Some of them probably might not germinate because the holes there are so deep. Even looks as if I'm dropping more than 2 seeds in some of the holes, but I don't care. I just need to have some vegetables in my garden. And if you all haven't started growing any food yet, I would advise you, please go and grab some containers that you have in your house. I think I already popped some in there. Oh my gosh. I am really over sowing these now. And start that garden because food is getting so expensive. Don't you all see? That food is getting extremely expensive. I am not going to wait until I cannot afford anything anymore. Yeah. I'm starting now. You know what? I think I'm going to pop these back right in the corner here until I know where I want to plant them. Right back in here. So I'm about to do the black magic kale now. I think my phone battery is dying too, so I need to hurry up before it dies. All right, so let's get these black magic kale in. And this variety of kale, I'm telling you, it is heat tolerant. It grows under any condition. Even if you don't water it for a long time, it just kept growing. I think I showed you all 2 that I have growing for a few months now, and they are still going strong. I have been eating off of them, and they are just growing more and more. All right, so this is going to be it. I am going to charge my phone and then I'm going to continue sowing some more seeds. And it even looks as if the rain is coming down again. All right, so before I go, let me just take these out so when I come back I can just sow whatever seeds I want to sow in here. And look, here are some beets that I sowed April 14th. I didn't even notice that I had that they were growing. Lord have mercy. Sometimes I don't even know if I'm in the right field because I have been sowing so many things. It looks as if I killed more plants than how I grow them. Lord have mercy. Jesus, what am I doing wrong? Hey, where are we going? Let me just throw those over in there. All right, so I am coming back shortly to start sowing some seeds in here. Happy rising, everyone. Heading back outside to finish sowing the seeds that I started yesterday. It has already started raining, but I'm just gonna go ahead and drop whatever I can drop right now because I need to have food in this garden. Yep. So I have my backpack with my working tools. I have my raincoat just in case the rain comes heavier. And I have this old banger, it's a hammer, in case I need to pound anything. And of course I also have my waste bag with my marker and some other stuff in there. Yeah, so I'm all prepared. And I have a whole bag of seeds that I'm going to be sowing away. Alright, so let's pick up where we left off yesterday. I'm just going to be showing you the seeds and then sow them because this video is already too long. And look here, folks. So I was talking about this cayenne pepper too tall, and when I came outside, look at this. The top of it just broke off. So wishful thinking just works out sometimes. All right, so let's start popping the other seeds in the ground now.